If you're attending the National Young Leaders Day as a group, it's a good idea to stick together from the moment you arrive at the venue. We realise some of you have travelled a long way, so if you need a bathroom break, we recommend you do this before entering the theatre. Or if you want to walk around the venue and check it out, or take some photos, also do this before sitting down. Once you are ready to enter the theatre, the process is super easy. You don't need printed tickets, or wristbands, or even a registration table. Organise for an adult to be at the front of the group and head to a door where you'll see this banner. Someone from our team will confirm the group name, check the amount of students and adults in your group, confirm this against the list, and then you're ready to enter the theatre. Once you're inside the theatre, there will be ushers available to show you to the best seats. Once you have found these, we would ask that you would stay in the same seats for the rest of the day. So that it doesn't get confusing, we ask that you don't actually head to this banner until you are ready to go into the theatre as an entire group. If you see this red banner at an entry door, it means the section inside is full, so please head to another entry door where you'll see one of our white banners. If you have any questions, head to our info desk, which will be in the foyer. You'll find our friendly staff members wearing these shirts. But remember, you don't have to check in there. That will happen at the white banners as you head through the theatre doors. We are so excited that so many people are coming to the National Young Leaders Day. Thanks for watching this video so that we can work together to make the day run as smooth as possible for everybody.